Children, come to play with Peppa Pig's electric rice bag toy today. This is Peppa Pig's electric rice bag. Open it. Put in rice. You can't quit. It's cooked. Get the water and bring out the rice. Fragrant rice. Mother Pig is coming to cook. Cut a little mushroom first. It's cut. Activate the electric rice bag, add mushrooms to it, then securely close the lid to cook. It's cooked. Bring the mushrooms. Give it to Mother Pig. Beautiful. Peppa Pig also came to cook. Scared. It's cooked. Open the electric rice kit. Put the carrots in. All right. Bring out the carrots. Give it to Peg. It's time for dinner. That's delicious. To cook it. Put a stick of rice. Carefully in the electric rice bag. Put the rice in. Start cooking. It's ready. Get the corn out. Give it to Daddy Pig. Hello. When hunger strikes, use tools to unlock the electric rice kit. Attention to low glutinous rice. Bring out the glutinous rice. Fish. Alright. Open the electric rice kit. Big fish need to live. Cool. The fish is cooked. Let's spread it out. It smells so good. George, eat. No one testing. It's delicious.